How to find help center on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find help center on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok application. Once you are on your profile, all you need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. And here scroll down and you're gonna find help center on support options. Click on it. Wait for a second. And this is popular articles. So you can click here and create just click there and tell them how they can help you on your help center on TikTok app. And this is all the topics on TikToks. So this is it, easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.